Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to be talking about signing up on the Bluesky application, an alternative to X/Twitter I stumbled upon just recently, and it seems to be gathering more and more popularity recently, especially on the media. I'm going to guide you through the sign-up process really quickly so that you can apply these steps and sign up on Bluesky yourself, for example, to use their features for your personal or commercial projects. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So in the first step, head over to google.com and in the search bar type in Bluesky. After that, select the first search entry you see listed below. That is going to take you to the home feed on Bluesky. You can access Bluesky either via your web browser or through their mobile application. That's totally up to you. So guys, to sign up here on Bluesky, simply click on sign up here in the top left corner. You can also change your default language below from English to one of the supported languages if you like. So on the next page, go through a short account creation and setup process. Start by selecting your hosting provider. You can either use Bluesky public hosting or choose your own hosting provider by clicking on custom. Here I'm going to leave it at Bluesky for demonstration purposes, so click on done below. After that, submit your email address here and a safe and secure password below, and last but not least, submit your birth date here. Once it's done, confirm by clicking on next there. Create your custom user handle on the next page, one that has at least 3 characters, and after that confirm by clicking on next here. And at the last step, solve that short image captcha to verify that it's really you trying to sign up as a real human and not a bot, for example. And last but not least, Bluesky will also ask you to answer through a couple of simple questions about your preferences and hobbies as a user of these social media platforms so that the algorithm may find the most suitable content for you. And that's basically it. After that, guys, you will be redirected to your home feed here on Bluesky so that you can use it to publish your own posts, to communicate and to engage with other users, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. As you can see, super simple and intuitive. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.